Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 brand new Honda Greenger CRF E2. This is the electric youth dirt bike. 2 speed modes, 10 mile per hour or 20 mile per hour. This thing is awesome. It's got disc brakes front and rear. Just turn the throttle and go on this awesome CRF E2. We only have 2 of these. They're not going to be here long. Come on by. $29.50 plus freight, prep, tax, and license. Brand new. It's got a 6-month warranty. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. There she goes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.